Amazon's experimental wireless mesh networking turns users into guinea pigs.
They are upset about this for all the wrong reasons. I will give you 3 reasons you can be upset.
Previously on TWiT. Security Now.
The design is clearly intended to absolutely prevent any possible abuse of the system. Even Amazon can't see into it the way it's designed.
iOS Today.
Apple has announced finalists for the Apple Design Awards.
You take a picture of a doodle and then the app brings it to life.
What? Thomas is coming to life.
Hands-on tech.
Google Photos free cloud storage is no more. And you might be thinking, well, what if I wanted to host my photos on my own photo cloud?
Floss Weekly.
Our guest today is Brian Fox, the creator of the Bash shell.
Nobody on the planet cares what technology, whether it was open source or not, that was used to build the software in your microwave. Nobody thinks about that. So why would you make that software suddenly be secret and proprietary?
TWiT. Learn something new every day and what it means.
Most exciting thing for me is when I see all the places it gets used. And this friend says, you know, it runs the nuclear power plants here in the US. I said, no, that's terrifying. And I was not aware of that.